Window cleaning, I need your advice. Customer just got brand new windows and it's a client and we're gonna go clean their windows, but they want to inspect our tools and brushes beforehand to make sure we don't scratch their windows. And this customer has always been like kind of really picky, and so here's what I want to do, and I want to know in the comments what you would do. First of all, we're gonna go around, even though the windows are gonna be dirty, we're gonna go around and inspect all the windows with the pre-trip inspection list. And I'm gonna get fired up in a second here, and then check for any pre-existing scratches or damages, and then also notify the customer of fabrication debris, that it's completely normal for brand new windows to have scratches all over the place. I see it all the time, and they're not gonna believe that, but I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna grab them by the collar very nicely and say, come with me, and I'm gonna show them all of it. Then I'm gonna make them sign a contract that says we're not responsible for any scratches, fabrications, or debris or anything. We don't, you know what I'm saying. Then on top of that, I'm also going to videotape the customer with my phone and have them not only sign it, but videotape them signing it, and videotape me showing them the brushes, and take all pictures of all the pre-existing anything with the windows, and that we're not liable, and have the customer look directly into the camera on my phone and verbally say that we don't hold my window cleaning company liable for any damage whatsoever before we do the job. Otherwise, I don't even want to do the job. And I think that if the customer wants to take it to the extent where they want to inspect our tools because they got new windows so they could have a case against us. So they're basically saying, I want to inspect. It's like if you went into a restaurant and you took out a magnifying glass when they were delivering your food, and you were looking at it like, and you had your attorney on the phone. There better not be nothing in this cheeseburger, you know, because I'll take your ass to court. So if I own a restaurant and somebody was going to do that, then upon them walking in the door, I would literally have like TSA, and I'd be scanning them in front of everybody, and I'd be like, you know what I mean, to make them, I'm trying to rise to the occasion and perfectly meet the level of what they are doing with what I'm going to do. If you want to set up a case against me, well, then I'm going to set up a case against you. But another side of me thinks all that's completely ridiculous, and any other company wouldn't even think anything like to do something like that. I don't know if I'm being paranoid, if it's all in my head, if I'm just making shit up, or if I should just walk, because I like challenges, if I should just walk and not even take the job at all. So what do you think? What do you think? Because I've developed like I don't know if it's a shitty attitude, but we clean windows, and I don't like putting up with crazy bullshit. I'd rather not deal with the customer at all. I do not like that's the answer. Just get rid of the customer.